Another hot night in the garage. As you can see, I've got some rust to remove. I'm going to find out what's the best way to remove all this stuff. Is it traditional wire brush? Is it the spinning wire brush? Or is it this paint rust removal grinder tool? We're going to find out. Let's dive in. Now that's pretty close to what it's supposed to look like. Now I've got it on drill setting. Hopefully there are no spots where it's eaten clean through. Now for the big surface, I want to see how this does on the grinder. And while I've got the grinder out, I want to see how this flap wheel works. I found the paint rust wheel worked best for flat areas. The sandpaper flapper wheel was pretty much useless. The wire brush wheel was essential for tight and non-flat areas. The wire brush was too slow for so much rust. Next, I applied 3 coats of Rust-Oleum JD Yellow. I guess they can't say John Deere. Now's a good time to purchase a replacement belt. Then I installed 2 brand spanking new spindles. They're about $40 total. The pulleys are usually part of a kit, but mine weren't worn and didn't need replacing. And either did the brake pads. Then you reassemble all the pulleys and linkage for the blade pulleys. Then tighten the idler pulleys, and then thread your belt. Bonus tip, while you have your pulley covers off, why don't you just get out the arm roll and give it a good wipe down. You know what WD stands for in WD-40? Water displacement. So we spray a good coat of WD-40 on the underside of the deck to help prevent further rust. Then we rehang the mower deck on the lawnmower. Engage to test, and fire it up. It's so pretty. And you can keep it from rusting again by keeping those grass clippings from collecting. And while we're under here, how about another coat of WD-40? It's just that easy.